I'm gonna decorate the cake.
Good. Decorate.
I need another bowl. This is a cake.
I can tell you how to model, for example, a jar. First you need to make a bowl. Make a disc out of it. Press to make a disc and put it. Press and fix it. Now we will roll something like sausages, like Timur does. We roll them and put them down and stick them. You can also smooth the bottom or use a stick. Look how we can do a snail. How did we do it? Can you roll it? Like this. Rolling, rolling, rolling. I'm rolling, rolling, and what do I get?
A snail! What a beautiful snail. It's a snail.
Now our task is to expand. So we put it wider so as to expand and smooth it. And we have a bowl already. We roll and we put it already more like inside the bowl to narrow it and give it a shape of a jar. So we're narrowing our jar. You have a smile, look. 2 eyes and a smile, right?
Water is for fingers to smooth?
Yeah. You can do it with a cloth and we just smooth it with a finger.
Look what a cake I made!
Very beautiful.
And I have a flying saucer, son.
And you see, a jar has a narrow neck, and in the end, we need to make it wider. Can you smooth it with a finger? Take some water and smooth it.
I'm doing a jar, son. A jar or a flying saucer.
Wonderful.
Or a volcano.
You can take a stick, and with the help of stick you can do like this. First attach and then smooth with a finger. And you can attach also a little handle. Also, you can narrow the neck to make a nose. And the simplest way to make a jar, it's very easy and funny. This way is for little ones. Here, we make a bowl. We need to stick a finger in it and make a hole, and then moving fingers here like that along the circle.
And what happens?
And we have a bowl. And then we can also make a handle. First, the handle is attached, look here, like this. We attach it and then it goes down. And now we'll do a nose like this. And you can let it dry and then paint and cover it with varnish.